So you're ready to dive in and learn more about your ideal client, and you want to figure out how to get information about them, and answerthepublic.com is going to be your friend. There's many different ways to go about doing this, and we're going to look at this one today. My name is Monica Michelle with Monica Michelle Marketing, and that's exactly what we do here on this YouTube channel. We go through tools and things that are going to help you move your business forward. So if you're interested in figuring out what tools you can use, what skills are needed, and what adjustments you can do, then check out some of the other videos. Now, inside of Answer the Public, as you see on the top right-hand corner, register for free and you'll get 3 daily searches. Your searches historical. So you'll be able to keep a record of everything that you search for. I'm not gonna set up an account right now. I'm not gonna log into my account. We're just gonna go ahead and use it because you can use it without logging in. And of course, you can upgrade to Pro if you need to. So discover what people are asking about you. If I want to know what Google is saying about a particular topic, I can plug it in here and we can figure it out. So I'm going to put in corporate moms. So let's say that my goal is to follow, reach out to, connect to corporate moms. This is how I'm going to figure out what they're talking about, what they're thinking about. I'm going to plug in corporate moms. If it's just moms and I'm not exactly sure who yet, or if it's just moms and that's all I want to focus on, absolutely fine. You'll just type in moms by itself. Anyway, once you type in who you're searching for, it's going to do its searching. I'm going to stay inside of the United States. As you can see, you can search Google. So this is showing you what people are saying or asking and typing into Google. You have Bing, because a lot of people do use Bing. You have YouTube, TikTok, and Amazon. So depending on where you're trying to put your information, what you're trying to do with your information that you're trying to reach out to and connect to, I would recommend selecting the appropriate category. Now this is saying corporate moms has 0 results. So use 1 to 2 words for best results. Let's just go ahead and take off corporate and just do moms and see what comes up next. So it's showing here that people are really loving moms versus dad memes. So what does that mean? How can I use this in my marketing material? Maybe you'll use more mom versus dad memes as opposed to mom versus the kids or parents versus the kids. If moms is who you're trying to reach out and connect with, mom-son dating shows. These are things that people are looking for. These are comparisons. They're and statements. So if you're working on including moms for your marketing, then this is giving us some different ways that this can show up because this is what people are looking for. Let's go to alphabetical. So it lists it out in alphabetical. Birthday gifts is a really big one, right? Mom's auto sale, Carlisle. So this is getting a lot of attention, a lot of searches, a lot of people are literally typing that in looking for it. So this here, Moms for Liberty banned books, Moms for Liberty founder. So these are related, but they're not exactly spot on. Moms on Call, Moms Carlisle, Moms Mabley, Moms on Call schedule, Moms Demand Actions. And so you can go through Moms Night Out, Moms to Be. These are things that you can include and ensure that you can use in your marketing. Let's go back up to the top and look at list, because maybe looking at it on a wheel drives you bonkers. Well, you can look at it in a different format. This is telling us what people are most interested in right now when it comes to moms, on what they're searching for inside of Google. And again, we're gonna, in the midst of us doing our research, we're gonna pull this information and we're gonna use it in our marketing. We can find the common threads and we can use that in our marketing because it's helping us to better understand who's generally typing in stuff about moms. Moms are. They're looking for stuff for themselves. And so in the midst of searching and putting together our marketing information, then what we're doing is saying, oh, moms are really interested in vacations. Well, that's not true, right? They're not searching for it if they are thinking about it. So they may be thinking about it, but in mass numbers and putting it on Google, they're not searching for a lot of vacations. There's one here, moms were to Disney. So they're not looking for vacation stuff. When you're trying to figure out what the busy moms are looking for, because let's be real, most moms are busy, right? We can say, what should we talk about? What do we need to make sure we touch on? So it has moms with Stanley cups, right? Well, they're not searching for moms with mugs. They're searching for moms with Stanley cups. So maybe we want to include Stanley cups. Maybe we want to talk about Stanley cups in our marketing, because Stanley cups may be good for your kids or may not be. You focus that. Moms on call. That's related. Mom's car lot. Moms to be. So let's say our focus is moms with little kids. Well, we can search through here and see how many are coming up for little kids. Let's go over to tables. Tables put them in it's somewhat of a list as well, but they're grouping them by, in this case, the verb. So this is how you can use Answer the Public for your marketing. Download these results. When you go to run your ads, if you notice your ads are over $2, then maybe you need to make some adjustments, because the cost per click shouldn't be too far off of $2 and a penny right now at the time of this recording. In the future, it may be something different. Search volume is at 300,000. Well, in the future, it may be less, it may be more. So this is giving us all information about moms. Swing over to Amazon and we can search over there as well. So let's say you're going to write a book for moms and you're going to put it on Amazon. That's the goal. Or you're creating or buying some type of gadget that you're going to be selling on Amazon. What are they looking for currently on Amazon? What are they typing in? What moms can't do book. So that's a book. What moms do best. What moms want. Bracelets that say their name. Ashley is an example. So these are giving us ideas and suggestions of what people are most looking for right now. So you apply it to your target market, because this is what your target market is looking for. Moms with guns, moms with ADHD, purse for moms with toddlers, backpack for moms with toddlers. There's a lot of toddlers stuff on here, right? So that's 3 moms to be. So moms on Amazon seem to have a lot of stuff they're looking for little kids or little kids to come. So if you're going to write a book and put it on Amazon, you might want to gear it towards something for moms with little kids, moms and daughters, mom and muffins decorations. So you're able to determine what it is you want to put up here, what it is that you want to sell. You learn and you take this information and pull it in. You pull it into your marketing so that you can use it. Moms on call, 0 to 6 months. Moms on call. Now, if these moms are on call, how many jobs you know that have people on call? Nurses, trains. So these people all can be on call. Hopefully that was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them below in the comments. If you have any thoughts, any suggestions, let me know. What are you searching for on Answer the Public? I look forward to hearing back from you, and I hope you have a great day.